Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying access. Make sure you're signed into the exact Snapchat account tied to the snaps. Once signed in, go to your profile, then Settings, and open Memories to confirm backup status and sync. Next, tap the small Deleted album. You need to act inside the 30-day recovery window because Snapchat removes items permanently after that. So, confirm storage and network, Wi-Fi, not cellular, so restores won't fail halfway through. Once you're in the deleted folder, preview each snap to ensure it's the right one, then select the items you want to recover. Tap Restore. Snapchat moves them back to Memories, and if you enabled it, to Camera Roll. If you don't see a snap, make sure to check your device's photo backups, Google Photos or iCloud, because sometimes automatic camera roll saves occurred. If restores stall, pause other apps, and retry on a stable Wi-Fi connection to prevent partial restores. You finish by confirming that restores appear in Memories, and if desired in Camera Roll, resave or export any important snaps immediately. Then, change settings so Memories sync and Camera Roll save are enabled for future protection. If a restore fails, force close Snapchat, clear the cache from settings, ensure the app is updated, and try again. Sometimes a simple retry fixes permission or transient network errors. And if you still can't recover, remember deleted items older than 30 days are unrecoverable. Act quickly next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.